Hey everyone, Jason here with LubeMinder Oil and Grease Systems, a division of Suburban Manufacturing. I'm here today to talk about our LubeMinder automatic lubrication systems, designed to improve bearing, bushing, and chain life, as well as decrease service intervals, increase uptime, and ensure efficient machine operation 365 days a year. Starting off with our electric oil and grease pumps, these are available as a standard with 4, 8, and 17 pound reservoirs. They're also available in 12 or 24 volt DC. We offer them with an integrated controller or with a non-integrated controller to be adaptable with your machine PLC or our remote controller. We also offer this with a fixed or adjustable pump element. We can put up to 3 pump elements in this. We operate on an eccentric cam inside the pump, and that allows us to not have a spring on the pump element, which is one of the bigger failure points of these pump elements. We also offer this with a low level sensor and a pump rotation counter, so you can have feedback in the cab and allow the operator to know when equipment's operating and when the reservoir gets low. Moving on to our hydraulically operated pump. The key features to this pump is it's hydraulically operated. If you have hydraulic pressure, you can tee off of the system. If you don't have electricity available, works great for that. It's also a very robust pump for rough applications. We can push 0.4 cubic inches, and we also have a stroke controller on here to be able to turn that down to 0.06 cubic inches. This is available with a bellows style reservoir as well as a refillable reservoir, and we can use progressive blocks with this system as well. Now moving on to our series progressive blocks. We offer these in 6, 8, 10, 12, 16, and 20 ports. This allows you to equally distribute grease to all of your grease points, up to 0.01 cubic inches per outlet per cycle. We can also use forwarding plugs to double the output of grease to the following port as you move down the block. Our progressive blocks are available with many different outlets as well as a visual indicator. We can also put a proximity sensor on there to send feedback to the cab so the operator knows that the system is operating properly. Now moving on to our automatic oilers. We offer these in both hydraulic and pneumatic actuation. We also offer a single port oiler, commonly used in the forestry industry for bar chain oil. Standard oilers are available from 1 to 8 outlets, and we do offer restrictor kits for smaller chains, or if you get a shorter run versus a longer run, you can regulate the output flow on these oilers. Kits come standard with a 2.3 quart reservoir. We do have an adjustable output on these oilers. By adjusting the stroke controller, you can distribute anywhere from 1/4 to 1 full cubic inch of grease per stroke on the oiler. All of our LubeMinder oil and grease systems are very versatile and can be tailor fitted for any application you might have. Give us a call today to discuss how we can help you stay on the road, in the field, or producing on time. Or visit our website at LubeMinder.com. Thank you.